there guys, so yep, we didn't come yesterday, so the last video you watched was not yesterday but the day before. That makes sense. It's Friday today, the last came on Wednesday because yesterday it was the day after all the mad amounts of snow that we got and the roads were just going to be like an ice rink, so I just stayed at home. But yeah, still plenty of snow remains down at the farm, so that's nice. It's the usual wind tunnel here that it always is. So yeah, nice and windy, and it's pretty cold. Let's have a look. 0 degrees. So yeah, nice. It'll be no warmer in there. So let's go and unlock, go in and get some heating on. Yeah, it's legitimately colder in here than it is outside. That's not nice. Also, it's really dark because the lights are so cold. They're not very bright at the moment. So yeah, let's get some warmth going and we'll get cracking today. Don't know exactly what we're going to do. Just get this doorstep panel to fit better, I think, basically. And yeah, that sort of good stuff. Oh, and a side note, I had my hair cut this morning. Yeah, you guys haven't seen my face, have you, since episode 1? So, wow. Yeah, I said I probably wouldn't do that on camera again, but there we go. You just did. So, yeah, let's bring some bits and bobs in and let's get started. Oh, hello, new toy. Pretty damn cool. It's probably my new favourite air tool. I just gave it a go. On grinding down a little weld that I hadn't done last time. Yeah, seems to do the job nicely. So that's going to be definitely a good addition to the tool collection. Quick random thing, just fired up the compressor and it was squealing like mad and wasn't turning very quick. And oh my god, that wind. And I'll try and demonstrate now. If it'll make the noise, it doesn't always. Okay, that's probably the worst it's done it actually. I took the cover off, obviously, as you can see, and the belt is really loose, but I don't see how you tighten it. I don't see any sort of adjustments for it. But that turns nice and freely, look, as you can see, so it's not like the compressor's seizing up or anything. So yeah, I don't see a way of adjusting it. I'll give you a quick look over it. If anyone knows how to fix that, feel free to let me know. So there's just nothing that I can see to adjust it. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to slap the cover back on and hope that it survives until I figure out how to sort that out. Or even if I have to replace the belt, I don't see how you're gonna replace it, because there's no adjustments to slacken it off to get the belt off. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you know. Cheers. Okay, so I've been doing a bit of work on and off camera, really, and this is now a decent fit, not a perfect fit by a fair margin. These doesn't line up quite right, but I have a feeling I know why. The whole thing is sort of like that, and I think the reason why is because there's still slight remains of the old lip under there, and it's sort of just pushing it out at a weird angle. So I have to take it off again and sort that out. But yeah, it's fitting quite nice there, apart from I got a little too keen went a little too far there, and there's a bit of a hole, but we can carefully fill that up with weld. That's okay. So yeah, that's kind of that. So obviously got the front here to finish chopping, because there's a fair bit there, look, left to chop off. But I'm kind of going to leave that until I can line up this panel, if I can reach it. It's rolled all the way over here, the inner air post, because this piece that goes into the dash rail, I need to get it off the old one. My spot weld drill bit is absolutely shot. I've ordered a new one because of the weather. It's not actually turned up yet, so I need to be able to get that off, which, yeah, is an issue. So, but this doesn't seem to want to line up quite right, and I don't know why. This piece, you know, that I made up and then had to cut off again, it's not, I can't just slot it in now with holding the camera, but basically it's sticking out a lot further than that, which I know is the correct shape. So yeah, the inner wing definitely going to fit on with that. So I'm just kind of puzzled as to why that's being such a pain. But once I get this piece, that little bit in there, out, that'll really help get this into the correct place, and then help determine where this goes. Because obviously I can line this up a bit by the same curve on there, but this won't sit in the right place because of that. So I can't get that in the right place, if you get what I mean. So yeah, we just got to do this, and then hopefully my spot weld drill bit will turn up for the next time that I come. But today I may have to go and do some work on the engine or something, because kind of going to run out of stuff to do on this particular panel soon until I can drill out them spot welds. So yeah, there we go. So we'll try and get this little niggly bit here sorted anyway, and then just see what else we're going to do. Okay then guys, it's 5:30 now, and well, it's getting cold in here, and I'm kind of running out of things to do, as I've already said. I'm going to try and make this a fairly quick outro, because, you know, I've already been talking a lot and not comparatively going to have much time-lapse footage to go with that. But anyway, filled in that with weld, that slit down there and across there that I accidentally cut through. So I filled that in, ground that back, and obviously today we've also got this fitting much better. So yeah, that's it. Not got that much done. Whatever. So yeah. Oh, this thing. These go through belts, don't they? Blimey! It came with 3, and it came with 5, and 3 of them are now literally completely worn out in the bin. So definitely going to go home and order more of those. So yeah, tidy up, and that'll do for today. And I'll be back. Today's Friday. I'll be back on Monday, and yeah, hopefully we'll have some new spot weld drill bits and we can sort that out. Otherwise, we'll come and do engine work or something, whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Like us on Facebook, drop us a comment, and like the video, etc, etc. Kind of forget all the things I have to say at the end now, so there we go. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.